Hello friends and welcome back to the Technical channel. So friends, today I will talk about Geometric Future of Model 5, a compact mini PC case. So friends, the Geometric has announced Model 5 including two variants, Model 5 Glass and Model 5 Vent. So friends, this innovative PC case will improve functionality and capacity available in pillarless glass or mains vent version. The Model 5 is designed to support up to E-ATX motherboard and provide support for a 420 mm radiator on the top and GPU up to 460 mm and feature a unique PSU placement for space optimization and featuring refined mesh panel at the top and side, and the Model 5 has room for up to 10 into 120 mm fans in the glass variant and 13 into 120 mm fans in its mesh variant, and tool-free panel and dedicated decorative accessory zone cater to enthusiasts for easy to access and personalization. And the Model 5 front-mounted PSU located in design for space optimization, freeing up the case interior for streamlined layout and enhancing airflow by shifting the PSU to the front, and the case gain room for up to 10 into 120 mm fan mounting position throughout, up to 13 for the Model 5 and enabling powerful adaptable cooling configuration. And additionally, this layout support a 420 mm radiator at the top, which ensure optional cooling for CPU with the room for 2 into 120 mm for fan mounting behind the motherboard tray. And the case are available as a standalone option with the 5-pin install Squama 250314 140 mm fans, which are designed to maximize airflow and cooling efficiency. And this fan feature a patented dragon scale texture frame the enhanced airflow to create a turbulent transition, delivering an impressive 91 CFM with ARGB double side edge lighting, quite hydraulic bearing, and anti-shock rubber fill to minimize vibration. And the Squama 250314 fans provide both style and preference, and this setup ensures optimized cooling for high performance system while adding a visual accent to your build. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.